Hello, history enthusiasts. Today, let's dive deep into one of the most fascinating ancient cities ever discovered, Mohenjo-Daro. Nestled in the fertile plains of the Indus Valley in what is now Pakistan, Mohenjo-Daro was one of the major urban centers of the Indus Valley civilization. This civilization thrived around 4,500 years ago, making it contemporary with ancient Egypt and Mesopotamia. But what makes Mohenjo-Daro so incredibly special? Well, it's the city's advanced urban planning and engineering. Imagine exploring broad streets laid out in a grid pattern, sophisticated drainage systems, and even buildings constructed with baked bricks, unheard of in other civilizations at the time. Archaeologists first uncovered Mohenjo-Daro in the 1920s, and it was a game changer. The site revealed large public baths, which suggests that this civilization valued cleanliness and public welfare. The Great Bath, as it is known, might have also been a place for ritualistic or religious ceremonies. Despite its sophistication, around 1900 BCE, Mohenjo-Daro, along with other cities of the Indus Valley civilization, mysteriously declined. Theories about this decline range from natural disasters to shifts in river courses and even invasions, but no one knows for sure. What's truly intriguing is how much we have yet to uncover. Only a fraction of the site has been excavated, and who knows what secrets still lie buried under the soil of Mohenjo-Daro. So, did you find these insights into Mohenjo-Daro fascinating? If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more amazing historical explorations. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep digging into the past.